Hummel is the biggest manufacturer of filtration products in the world. Today we're going to be looking at Mann Filters, and that encompasses a wide range of car applications. These include oil filters, air filters, fuel filters, cabin air filters, and even more. And today we have the privilege to be joined by Willy from Mann Hummel, and he's going to talk to us about the intricacies of filters that we have in our cars. Willy, how are you today?
Very well, thanks. And you yourself?
I'm very good, thank you. Willy, do you mind giving me a bit of an overview of what exactly Mann Filters is and what products do you lot offer?
Okay. Mann Filter is a manufacturer of filters. They've been around for 75 years. We started out in Germany, now we're global. They've got manufacturing sites all across the globe, and we specialize in air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, and cabin filters. Yeah.
So that's quite a bit of experience, under the brand. So what exactly should I be looking out for when it's time to change my filters?
Okay. So basically is to keep with your vehicle's maintenance schedule, which can be either 10,000, 15,000 kilometers, 20,000 kilometers, depending on what vehicle it is, if it's a petrol vehicle or a diesel vehicle. So in your service book, it will tell you which filters needs to be changed at what intervals.
That's actually very interesting to know that, taking care of your car and the maintenance is also tied to looking at my filters as well. And I couldn't help but notice we've got something interesting here on the table. Do you mind explaining what it is exactly that we're looking at?
Absolutely. Yeah, so we're looking here at the cabin filters. This goes inside your cabin of the vehicle. This filters the air coming into the vehicle. So these are usually changed every 15,000 kilometers or 1 year. So we got three level specs. We got a basic one, then the advanced one, and then the premium cabin filter. So we can start with the basic one. This basically filters out pollen and dust and stuff outside of the vehicle. The air system basically sucks up about 540,000 liters of air every hour through the ducts of the car, and this will keep the car clean inside and your air conditioning system clean. So this is the basic starting one. Then you get the activated carbon one, which is a CUK part number. So it's got a layer of carbon, which helps to eliminate odors as well, which also blocks out like toluene, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, all the unpleasant smells next to the road. When you drive down the road, all the unpleasant smells, it will eliminate like forest fires and all that stuff. You won't smell through the screen so much. Then you get a premium filter. This one got 3 layers. It got all the advantages of this one, as these, but also have an extra advantage that actually prevent bacteria and mold growing on the filter and stuff. So it cleans the air even more. So it will help with allergies and all that stuff, and prevents bacteria and mold also in the car.
I didn't know that the air inside our car is actually so important, and perhaps there's actually a misconception that the air outside of our car is the same as inside of our car. But do you mind telling me if there actually is a difference between the two?
Yeah, the air outside is harmful, obviously, with all the exhaust gases and stuff, but the air inside the car can even be 5 times more harmful because of all the pollutants and exhaust gases going into your car from the cars driving in front of you. So it accumulates in your car. So that's why you need something like a cabin filter that can clean the air inside the car.
I'll be very honest, I did not know all of this about the importance of cabin air filters, and I can't thank you enough, Willy. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you.
I hope you all learned a thing or two about how important air filters are, and I hope that all the information today also helps you just keep on breathing a bit better, but most importantly, keep on driving.